Okay, welcome back, and now I'm going to introduce Theorem 3. So Theorem 3 really is just a summary of all of the results of the derivative of trig functions. So we've shown by analysis what the derivative of sine inverse is. And by analyses, you can show the same, because once you show sine and cosine is done analogous to this because the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So instead of the derivative of sine inverse of x being 1 over the square root of x, you get, for cosine inverse of x, you get negative 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So notice that they're the same but different signs. And then of course the rest of these are just ratios of sine and cosine. Okay? So with that being said, these are the results. So now you can memorize these because you can see that they're very similar. Okay? And so you can memorize them, or you can also derive these very easily like we did in the previous video when I did sine inverse using the unit circle. So again, and by deriving these, again, I personally practice deriving these, because if you practice deriving these using the unit circle and the right triangle, then it'll help put it into your memory. It works that way too. Okay? So again, practice deriving these because, again, the idea is getting this into your long-term memory. If you know how to derive them, then if you forget on an exam or something like that, or on a homework, you can derive it and you'll be able to get the answer, okay? Or you can memorize them, okay? But again, this is Theorem 3, and so these are the derivatives of all of the inverse trig functions, the 6 basic ones, and that's it. So we'll do some examples and use these. Have a great day.